When you get caught in the rain with nowhere to run, when you're distraught and in pain without anyone, you keep crying out to be safe when nobody comes, and you feel so far away that you just can't find your way home. You can get there alone, it's okay. What you say, I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to make. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tighter to my faith, and I live one more day. I can make it through the rain. Ooh, yeah. And if you keep falling down, don't you dare give in. You will arise safe and sound. So keep praying steadfastly, and you'll find what you need to prevail. What you say, I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to make. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tighter to my faith, and I live one more day. I can make it grow close. Don't be afraid. There's nothing you can't face. Should they tell you you'll never pull through, don't hesitate. Stand tall and say, yeah, I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to make. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tighter to my faith, and I live one more day. Can make it through the rain. I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again, and I live one more day. I can make it through the rain. Yes, you can.